Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I just received my Boxycharm for the month of October 2021. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. It still has the seal on it. So if you want to know what I got this month, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's see. I just open it and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this month, this is the card. And for those who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's like a monthly subscription where you receive 5 items for the base box. I know there's a premium, I think it's 6 items, and it's the Boxylox that it's every quarter. I'm opening right now the base box, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And I don't have any makeup. Well, I have just my base on, and I thought, well, if I have something here that I can wear and try on, I'll do it for you guys. So this is what the theme for this month looks like. Okay, and let's see. The first item right here is Adhesive liquid liner. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your fox lashes. Step-aside tubes of glue. This ultra-fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. And this retails for $29. And this is really funny because I just during their pop up, I purchased a liquid. I don't know where it is right now, but that's good. I'll try it again. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. The next item here is Teslúce Beauty, like artist. Okay, this is a brush set, and this one retails for $27. I love getting brushes. Oh yes, this is a pretty color. Ooh, that's really nice. This is very nice. The next item in here, some lashes. Okay, I'm not bad about it. I started using lashes because I didn't use them before, and they are obsessed. So you get addicted with them, honestly. And I am definitely not mad about it. These retail for $25. This is the most natural lash in the collection and it's perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. The next item here is Tarte Wink of HO Vegan College Eye Cream. I don't think this is what I choose. Whenever they gave me send the email, I think I got the drops. I'm gonna check my email, but I'm pretty sure I didn't choose this. Tarte C Wink of HO2. Okay, I'm not gonna open it, but this is what it looks like. For this one retails for $35. And this is the last item here. Is an eyeshadow. Let's open it and see what she looks like. Ooh, oh my god, these are very pretty colors. Okay, let's. Oh wow, let's swatch these. Pretty pink. They swatch okay. Oh wow, this is a very pretty. Oh, I like it a lot. Here are the colors again. And this is what they look like. This is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, what do you think? I really like them a lot. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put on one of the sides how much the box is. And it's a pretty good box. I'm happy. I'm always happy with what I get on my Boxycharms. I don't think I ever complain because anyways, I always use everything or pass it away. But this this box is really, really good. Despite that this is not what I choose. This is not what I chose. I'm sure I got the email confirmation, and I'm gonna double check before I keep complaining. But yeah, what do you think, guys? Did you like it? Have you received your Boxycharm already? Your Boxycharm box, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get? Where did you get probably the wrong item? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification box to let me know what you receive. And thank you so much for watching my video. I'm very happy that you are watching it. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.